Sharon Palmer. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm going to show you how to make avocado yogurt dressing. To make avocado yogurt dressing, I will be putting all of my ingredients into a small blender container. We start with half of an avocado that's ripe and sliced. I'll be adding that to the blender container. Ripe avocado. Then we have a 1/4 cup of Greek plain non-fat yogurt that we'll add. One-4 cup milk. The juice of half of a lemon that's been squeezed. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Half of a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove minced garlic, and a 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill. Those are all the ingredients that go into this dressing. I have a very handy small blender. I'll just put the lid on and pop it in to blend it, just until it's smooth. Just until it's nice and smooth. Really beautiful, colorful yogurt avocado dressing. This is really beautiful with a salad or even as a dip with vegetables or crackers or chips. This has been Sharon Palmer and I just showed you how to make avocado yogurt dressing.